Hello, everybody. It's Zach again. Here's my dream job post, and my dream job is to hopefully get my RD credential, my registered dietitian credential, and then be involved in some capacity in a nutrition-based research, and whether that's at like an academic institution, wherever. I just really like learning about new concepts in nutrition, things that are evolving. I think that the field, while it's not necessarily going to change a lot, I think that new things, like both on the macro and microscopic level, are going to be discovered really soon, and new things are, being discovered every day. And I like learning about new concepts in the world of nutrition, and I enjoy like, digging deep and finding some like small, minute research that really probably doesn't matter right now, but it could make waves in 5 to 10 years, and I just think it's fascinating. So that's why I want to be involved in research. Ultimately, I think this class will help me generally with leadership ability and just the like idea of management and like learning how to, I guess, talk to people, relate to people, and supervise people is just a huge trait that just carries over to practically every professional occupation in the world today. So I'm excited to, I guess, like hone my management skills and learn some stuff from that specific section of this course. Some action steps that I plan on taking to A, get my RD credential, and B, be involved in research. Well, obviously, I want to get matched to a dietetic internship, and I want to pass the exam and become a registered dietitian. And I guess also I would have to identify an internship that may or may not place emphasis on research. And so, yeah, that's about it. Thanks, guys.